Welcome back. This is Dave Espino, and in today's video I'm answering a question that somebody requested, and that is, what sources of passive income do you participate in? So let me do a quick rundown of some of the various passive income streams that I have. Let's start with a website called Redbubble.com. Now, Redbubble is a print-on-demand website. So what you do is you upload a design to Redbubble, and then you can have that design printed on all kinds of merchandise. So, for example, I have the InfoBoss logo printed on this mug, right? I have that logo printed on stickers. I have that same logo printed on notepads and things like that. So you can take that same logo and have it published on a bunch of different things, including this clock back here, right? InfoBoss clock. So that's one form of passive income stream that I have. I have a variety of different products up there, not these, but the other types of products that people buy, and it generates a passive income for me because Redbubble already has traffic. And when you have traffic, you match it up with a product, you have passive income. Another similar business is Merch by Amazon. Now, Merch by Amazon is Amazon's print-on-demand service where you upload some designs and then you can get t-shirts made with your design. So this is an example of a t-shirt with my logo on it, okay? And this is done through Merch by Amazon, okay? So there's that. And I have a bunch of t-shirt designs uploaded on Merch by Amazon, and so whenever somebody finds one of my t-shirts and buys it on Amazon, I get paid a royalty, right? That's a passive income. And the reason passive income happens is because you're matching up a product offering with traffic. And when you have ongoing traffic like you do on Amazon, then you have ongoing income because ongoing traffic leads to ongoing sales. And if there's no need for you to be involved in either the traffic or the sales, that's passive income, okay? Passive income is something you do once and then you just get paid over and over and over again. Another way that I have passive income is through the Kindle Marketplace. So one of the things I did was I took some of my online courses and I got them transcribed and turned into ebooks on the Kindle Marketplace. Well, when you do that, you can also turn your books into paperback books. So here's some examples of some of the paperback books that I've got. This one is called Write a Great How-To Book Fast. This is one of my courses that I got transcribed and put it into ebook form. This one's called How to Be Hyper-Productive in Your Home-Based Business. This one I actually wrote as a book itself. You can see it's a little bit thicker than the other ones. And this one is actually a book that I wrote. It's available in the Kindle Marketplace as well as the physical paperback. And then a book that I wrote called Monetize Yourself, also taken from one of my online courses. So these books represent both a Kindle passive income as well as a CreateSpace passive income, meaning if somebody decides to buy the paperback, I make money from that too. And those are just a few of my books. I have a few other books up there as well. But by far my favorite form of passive income is online courses. And I have online courses in two main business models. One business model is in the Udemy Marketplace and other marketplaces like it. And that is where I've got a bunch of my online courses, my smaller online courses. The other business model is where you publish your online courses yourself through a sales funnel and you self-host your course. Now, in that model, you can make a lot more money primarily because you control the pricing. See, in the marketplace, they control the pricing and they'll sell your courses for really cheap. But in the self-hosted sales funnel model, you control the pricing and you can sell your courses for $47.97, $197, $297, $597. I've sold my courses for as much as $5,000 when combined with some coaching, mentoring, and that kind of thing. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. That's where the big money is for me out of all these passive income streams. I haven't even mentioned a couple other passive income streams like affiliate marketing, but that's where the really big money is for me, is creating unique online courses that I can sell to ongoing traffic, and that generates me a very high passive income. So there's a quick breakdown of some of my different passive income streams. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the idea of passive income, and especially through online courses, hit that subscribe button, because that's all we're talking about in this YouTube channel. You're going to get interviews, you're going to get special reports, and you're going to get the latest cutting edge strategies for your online course business. I'll see you on the next video.